Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining me now is Inabox Group Managing Director and CEO Damian Kay. Hi Damian, welcome back.
Thank you very much.
So for those new to the company, can you give us a quick introduction?
Sure. Inabox started more than 10 years ago as a wholesale telecommunication provider. Today, with over 3 channels, 300 staff and 13 offices, we operate as a leading managed telco, cloud and IT provider in Australia.
Damian, changing pace, moving to the company's share price, which has halved. Tell us what happened and what you're doing about it.
Yeah, sure. Look, firstly, I want to apologise to our investors. As the CEO, I take full accountability for what has happened last week, and I want to take you through exactly what happened. In a review of the business, we determined that the traditional levels of project revenue were not coming through from predominantly from 3 large enterprise customers. As it turns out, this was a leading indicator, and those customers have indicated their intention to rationalise and reduce their spend with the Hostworks business. What we're doing about it is really important. First and foremost, we're looking to rationalise the size of the business and align our costs with the revenue. So we're looking at where we can make cuts to our staff and to other costs in the business in order to make that alignment. Furthermore, we've invested quite heavily in bringing cloud in a box, which is leveraging the Hostworks infrastructure and capability and being able to offer that to our indirect and direct channel partners in order to make the most of what that acquisition was originally done for.
And Damian, do you believe the Hostworks business is still the right fit for the Inabox Group?
Hostworks was acquired in February in order to fast track our capability to take advantage of the trend that's happening in the market, which is tin to cloud. As such, we acquired Hostworks to give us that capability. What has happened is a timing issue. The timing issue is that some of the revenue from some of our large enterprise customers has come off faster than anticipated before the productization of our cloud in a box product could be launched to our market, to our customers in the market.
Well, that's all sounding really positive, but tell us, why should investors remain confident moving forward?
That's a really fair question. You know, this current situation is isolated to 3 enterprise customers in the Hostworks business. The rest of the business continues to perform strongly with double-digit growth in both the enablement channel and also in our wholesale indirect channel. What I also want to highlight is that the rest of our direct channel, which Hostworks forms part of, is moving strongly in cross-selling the telecommunications, cloud and other products that we have in order to grow that channel. So in all, the business is performing strongly, and this is isolated to that one part.
Last question now, Damian. What can investors expect in terms of news flow over the next 6 to 12 months and even longer term?
Yeah, look, we're working really hard to bring some of those national retailers into the enablement channel that we're in advanced negotiations with. But what investors can expect from me, the board and my team is an absolute dedication to getting this business back on track and driving the business forward and realising the opportunity that we have in front of us.
Well, Damian Kay, thank you so much for the update.
Thank you for having me.